Oh, here is a new apartment. We'll see him. So this is the entrance. First we got on the left hand. Here's the CR, toilet, shower, hot and cold water. Two different slippers, so you don't want to steal them. Maybe Chinese-like. So, and a washing machine that is undergoing maintenance on. Whoa, a mirror and a nice Wi-Fi, which we don't got the code to. But that's.
There's a lot of things here.
And as I say, a washing machine, table for 4. As you know, the time, it's not the right time, I hope. Very small kitchen, even give us free water, nice slippers. You can make food, small couch, nice bed, aircon, television, lamps in different form and shape, and even a fan. Oh my God! And what is this we're looking out at? It is IT Park, 11th floor. So that means there's no noise. Hopefully no mosquitoes either. And this is the wife. So as we start the other way around, welcome to Simple CM's channel. Bye bye.